USArray offers an opportunity to watch the arrival of seismic waves from worldwide earthquakes. Circles on the map represent over 400 seismic stations. We'll focus on one station out of the array. The seismometer above will register an earthquake, while the station symbol on the cross-section represents a 100 micron grain that shows about 60 microns of up-down motion in this image. For reference, a dime is 1,000 microns thick, and a human hair is less than 100 microns. We'll use the magnitude 7.9 earthquake in China to watch seismic waves arrive at the 2008 array of seismographs 11,000 kilometers away. To understand, let's take another cross-sectional view by rotating the map as if you were looking east from over the Pacific Ocean, allowing us to highlight vertical motion. The PNS waves show the faint shading of smaller offset, whereas the surface waves record a stronger movement. By zooming into a microscopic view, we can watch the exaggerated molecules respond to the characteristic seismic waves from a closer earthquake. The seismogram reflects arrivals to the first station, with compressive P waves bumping adjacent molecules in the direction of travel, whereas the S waves have a shearing motion perpendicular to the direction of travel. We show only the vertical motion, not the north-south or east-west components critical to understanding seismic waves. Compared to body waves, the surface waves lumber along with a down-back-up-forward motion, affecting only the uppermost crust. Surface waves die out with depth. Now we will show an array of stations with a 70-kilometer spacing in all directions to watch the pattern of the seismic wave arrivals as they migrate across the landscape to multiple stations following an earthquake. We animate only the front row, with the back rows showing colors representing movement. When viewed from map view, it seems as though the particles are rolling across the surface, but we now know that the PNS wave motion is coming from depth, sequentially striking the stations by distance from the earthquake, whereas the surface waves actually do roll across the surface at a speed greater than 5 times the speed of a jet airplane.